All right, welcome. So we're going to see if the Jeep has a cabin air filter. It doesn't blow very hard whenever we're going down the road. It's not real cold. I feel like you have to put it on full blast all the time. The kids in the back are getting hot. And so we're going to start with going in here and watch a video, pretty good video online. And we'll see about going through here to get the cabin filter replaced or one in there, or see what's going on.
Good go.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the cabin air filter. You open the glove box. Can you see right here, sis? But we're gonna push in on each side. Pull the glove box out. Like that. And we're gonna look right inside there. So let me grab that from you. Thank you. And then that's where we're going, is right there. So let me get a flashlight and then we can get a better shot of it. All right, going in for the cabin air filter. If you'll turn that light on for me, sis. There you go, good job. Okay, so we should be able to go and reach in here, and we're gonna pull this tab up. Say that. Oh, it's down and out. Oh yeah, there's air filters in there. And they are rough looking. Let me see how to get that out of there. There's two of them in there. I didn't either, sis. I didn't know if we had them or not. I mean, the video said that we might. Oh yeah.
I thought we only had like one.
Look at that. That is dirty, isn't it?
Yeah, that has a lot of dust.
Ooh.
I wonder why these people never cleaned out the
I don't know. They may not have known about it.
Yeah, we might be looking.
There's the other one. Look, we're gonna have to order a couple of these.
Yeah.
The part number on there, CF11777 or TC 180326. All right, so if you remember, we took the old filters out of the HVAC system, went down to AutoZone and picked up STP. It is Charlie Alpha Frank 1911 Paul. And it's the cabin air filter. So we're gonna go back to getting the glove box out, open it up, push on the right side, push on the left side, squeeze in, and pull out. And you're getting these little tabs by pushing in, squeezing on it. You get those little tabs out. Next thing you're gonna do is go up here inside, and you're going to pull down, like I showed in the beginning, of the tabs. It opens up the doors. All right, tab doors are open. Open up the filters here and see what they look like. Picture shows kind of a one-piece system. Luckily inside it's a two-piece. Oh, here you go. It's even got instructions. 5 to 10 minute installation time. Behind the glove compartment, remove glove compartment door by pressing in on sides and pulling. Locate cabin air filter across doors. Unlatch by lifting tabs. Remove filters from the housing. Making note of orientation. Install the new filter and reassemble in reverse order. So if you remember, we got another model number 12182198. All right, so we got the flaps up. We're gonna reinstall with the arrows down. inside there. I'm going to slide that one over. They just kind of sit in there. There's a little recessed area that holds it. That's it. They just kind of sit there. We'll resecure the clips there, like that. That's it. And the new ones are in there. And from there, take and put that in there, and then we'll push on each side here and get that to go behind there. Same on the other side, and we'll be good to go.